Hello everyone and welcome. I am Phil, the True Tech Dad. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Nestcam IQ. It's a security camera with a brain. Basically, if you're like me and you want to protect your stuff, you want to protect your family, this would be the product that I would choose. What I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox it, check it out, get it set up, and then I'm going to review it, and we're going to get this open, see what's in here. Again, this is the Nestcam IQ. Let's get it open. Let's see here. Oh shoot, that thing broke. Oh no, I didn't need that anyway. So here we go. Let's get this plastic off of here. Now, if you're like me, I want to make sure everything is taken care of, everything is safe. Let's put this over here. Make sure everything is safe in my home. That way, if I'm not home, I can look in on it, make sure everything's okay, make sure my family's good. Okay, here we go. Now, this is the camera itself. From what you can see here, it has a little tab on here. It gets this little plastic cover here. Here's your camera here. Looks like you have a speaker and a microphone. Alright, now this is it. This is the camera itself. Looks like it has a micro USB connection back here to get the power. And this is it. Let's put it right here. See if you can see that. Get this stuff out of the way. This is the camera. It's actually a little bit fits in my hand. There we go. Let's see what else is in here. You get started guide here, warranty information. Looks like you got your cable, which is right here. This is your AC adapter. So you plug this into your wall, and one part of this will plug in here, or the other one will plug in there, whichever one it is. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Looks like you can tilt it. It only tilts back and forth. Doesn't tilt side to side or anything like that. Got a nice flat surface. It rocks. Let's see here. Alright, what we'll do is, looks like, let's see, does this part fit in there? Yeah, it looks like this part will fit in here. And it actually, if you can see this, it'll fit right in there like this. And this cord here is pretty long. All we're gonna do, plug this in, get it all set up. I will come back and tell you all how everything is working and give you more information on this. Now, okay everyone, what we have here, we have the Nestcam itself. Now, I've looked over a little bit of it. It does go up and down, and it actually turns also. We got your AC adapter here, plugs into anywhere with a American AC adapter, and then we have your cord. It is a USB-C type cord, and it's actually 10 feet long. So if you need to have it extended somewhere, it'll go pretty far. So what we'll do is take this off. Let's try not to cut the cord. There we go. One down, two down, three down. Let's go ahead and close that before I cut myself. Alright, so what we'll do is hook this up here. Well, no, I think it's the other side. There we go. We're going ahead and hook this up. Alright, I'm going to plug this up, and then we'll plug this part here. Actually, look if it matches how it's going to go inside there. So, if it goes in that way, it's not going to work, but plug that in. There we go. And we'll take this over here and plug it up. Again, it is 10 feet. And we will take this off here. Oh yeah. And what we'll do is get our phone, download the Nest app. Oh. See, it's got that nice blue light around it. A little ring around there. But you'll download the Nest app, and then what you will do, if you can see here, let me take that brightness down a little bit. Maybe that'll help. There we go. Now we got these settings. I've already got a couple of Nest products already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down here, find Add Product. And it's going to ask you to scan the barcode. Now the barcode is actually going to be up under there. And there it is. So, before connecting, you must enter the password for your Wi-Fi. So we're going to get that set up here. We're going to put this in the family room. So here we go. We're going to wake up the Nest product by, and right now what it's doing is connecting to other assisting products like my Nest smoke and carbon monoxide detector. As you can see, it's switched over to the cam from the other product. Now it's going to set up the Wi-Fi. And it pretty much does this automatically by itself. That's finishing up. And there we go. Alright. Now what we're going to do here, now we're at the settings here. Now we'll go down to family room here. And right here, you can either turn your camera on like this, or you can turn your camera back off. I mean, turn it off or turn it back on. And then you have your home away assist, scheduling, notifications, familiar faces, so it can detect whose face is whose. And if somebody comes in your home and it doesn't know it, it will send a message to your phone letting you know there's somebody in your home. You don't know, the camera doesn't know that. And then some other things, bandwidth quality, let's see here, tracking night vision, auto, and other things. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go over to the camera, and as you can see, there I am. Hello everyone, and there I am. That's it. See if you can turn it to the side, and alright, there I am. Hi everybody, that's me. You can see I'm putting my, so there we go. Let me see if I can, there we go, a little bit bigger. And you can hear me? Alright. So that's basically the cam itself. You can move it around wherever you want to do it. Put it wherever you want to put it. And let's see here. You just move it around. Alright everybody. Retails for about $2.99. That's $299. Okay everyone. Hopefully you liked my unboxing and my review. Any questions, please leave them in the comments. A couple of things I can answer for you right now. Sorry, that's my dog over there. A couple of things I can answer for you right now. The weight for this is about 12.6 ounces. The height, 4.9 centimeters. The height of it. It is pretty sturdy. Pretty sturdy. The camera itself is a 1080p resolution. It does say 4K on it, but it's more of a 4K sensor, which means if you're walking around in the home or anything, instead of, if it tracks your movement, so that helps the the 4K sensor actually helps it track that person as they're moving, so it's a more higher quality picture. It's not actually 4K, because if you did use 4K on your phone, let's say you're outside, it's actually going to eat up on your data. So we want to keep it around 1080p. So that's why that will it says 1080p and 4K, but it's actually a 1080p resolution 4K sensor, just meaning it's able to track that person in a better quality than it would on most other cameras. Diameter of what it's going to see is about 130 degrees, so it actually will only see about 130 degrees. Some cameras out there are probably 120, some are probably 180. It just depends on the camera itself, but this right now is for what I need. Also, it does, if let's say you're not home and you do see somebody coming in your home, you can it actually has a speaker, so you can actually talk through it to the person inside your home. Say your kids come home and you're not home, you can actually speak to them as they walk through that door, and so that's a good quality. I will test everything else out, try to do some more to tell you a little bit more about this, but can't wait to see how this camera works and give you more information on it. If you have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section. I do hope you like my unboxing there. Again, I'm Phil, the True Tech Dad. If you did, please press that like button, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And thanks again. Thanks for watching. Many thanks to my people who are following me already, and I couldn't do this without you. So tell your people about me and subscribe and share, and I will talk to you guys later.